Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to transfer crypto from Binance to Revolut. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with a clear understanding of how to move your cryptocurrencies between these two popular platforms. First, you need to have an account on both Binance and Revolut. If you don't have one, sign up and complete the verification process. Once you have your account set up, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Wallet section. Here you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you hold on the platform. Next, click on the Withdraw button next to the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to Revolut. You will be asked to enter the recipient address, which is your Revolut crypto address. To find this address, log into your Revolut account and navigate to the Crypto section. Click on the Add Money button and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. You will see your Revolut crypto address, which you need to copy and paste into the recipient address field on Binance. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any mistakes. Also, note that Revolut has a minimum deposit requirement for each cryptocurrency, so make sure to check the minimum amount before initiating the transfer. Once you have entered the recipient address, select the network you want to use for the transfer. The network fee will be calculated based on the current market conditions. Review the transaction details, including the amount, network fee, and recipient address, to ensure everything is correct. Finally, confirm the transaction and wait for the transfer to be processed. The processing time may vary depending on the network congestion and the cryptocurrency you are transferring. You can track the status of your transaction on the Blockchain Explorer or on the Binance website. As a best practice, always make sure to use two-factor authentication to secure your accounts and use a reliable internet connection to avoid any disruptions during the transfer process. Also, be aware of the fees associated with the transfer, as they may vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the network conditions. In conclusion, transferring crypto from Binance to Revolut is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency transactions. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily move your cryptocurrencies between these two platforms. Remember to always prioritize security and be mindful of the fees and minimum deposit requirements to ensure a smooth transfer process.